Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials. Ensure each AirPod shows battery and is connected. Clean the speaker mesh gently with a dry, soft brush. Debris muffles sound and changes frequency response. Once done, restart the host device and place AirPods back in the case for 10 seconds to reset connections. Make sure firmware is up to date in the device settings. These steps restore basic signal and acoustic paths, removing common causes so you can move on to deeper troubleshooting. Now tackle the software and connection layer. Forget the AirPods on your device and repair them to clear corrupted profiles that cause dropouts or imbalance. Test one AirPod at a time and compare on a second device to determine if hardware or host settings are guilty. Adjust EQ settings and disable spatial audio or noise control features while testing, because processing can alter perceived clarity. Make sure Bluetooth codecs match between devices. Mismatches degrade quality, so finish by validating hardware. Check charging contacts and clean any corrosion, because low power can change output levels. Perform a factory reset on the AirPods to restore original settings if problems persist, and retest audio. If you still hear distortion, imbalance, or persistent noise, swap left/right to confirm which bud fails and gather serial numbers. One key troubleshooting tip: record a short voice memo while wearing them to compare objective audio versus perception. Then contact manufacturer support or arrange warranty replacement if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.